Your 1099K arrived, and the number was bigger than you remembered earning because the platforms report gross sales, not what you actually kept. A $50 Etsy sale might net you $12 after product cost, shipping, platform fees, and ad spend. The gross and the net live in a different universe. Every standard budgeting tool ignores that gap entirely because it was built for a steady paycheck, not a platform deposit. Most e-commerce sellers who did $80,000 in sales have no idea where it went, and it is almost never a lifestyle problem. It is 5 silent weeks. No cost of goods tracking, no tax set aside, cash locked in inventory, ad spend creep, and reinvestment that looks like business but spends like lifestyle. The problem was never you. It was the toolkit you were handed. When a platform deposit clears, it has 6 jobs in order. First, restock the cost of goods you already used to fulfill those orders. Second, taxes off the top, based on profit, not gross. Third, platform and fulfillment costs. Fourth, your personal floor, bills. Fifth, your reserve. Only then does the rest go toward reinvestment, debt, or yours to spend. November and December, the money is pouring in. The account looks great. You lean into a bigger lifestyle, and in February you realize Q4 was the whole year. Here is the rule. Your paycheck does not go up in Q4. It stays the same. The reserve absorbs the flood so it can fund the drought. Q4 money mostly belongs in the reserve that keeps Q1 and Q2 livable. There is one trap most guides skip entirely: sales tax. If you ship physical goods across state lines, you are collecting tax on behalf of states, and that money is not yours. It is held in trust. Put it in its own account the day it lands, and do not touch it for anything else. Missing sales tax filings is one of the fastest ways to get into real trouble. 3 months in, you know your real net per order, not just the listing price. 6 months in, you stop rating the tax account to cover inventory. A year in, you are planning Q4 inventory from Q3 reserves you built on purpose. You know your tax bill in January because you have been paying quarterlies all year. You are scaling deliberately instead of getting dragged. From unable to able. Try it free for 30 days at becomeable.app.